Hi friends, today video we need to take the board and the house wire in the way that we too called the 0.0 wire and 1.0 wire The way is to take a day video we learned, so here you are watching 2.0 wire related to Johnson Company. Red and black fights. And what you're looking for now. Viewing the wires will remain the way after open. What you see here and now Johnson Company related 1.0 square black and red black wires. Now be the way when you open wide. So, now 2.0 and 1.0 I set aside. So are the way to see. Wires are. Friends, video if you're looking at the first time video earlier than house wiring 1 part 2 and part theory part 4 videos, so here. The video will show you how to analyze the way you see videos. Watch the video after you've seen all of the videos. Social way you can make house wiring complete. There comes a clarity. Friendly's video is now visible to you. Cotton spring is called Anna. So help to do this because we have every distribution. The wire is pulled from the box to each board. So, let's see a video in the way it will seem to you here. Book is so cotton speeding. At one end we need to fit a dog. To help do this, we can say that the wire is wrapped in a perfect wire. Pulling is done as easy. So let's see a video that is the way it is. It is enough if the spring is 110 meters or 15 meters. So you can see it here. Clear book is a way to see if it needs to be fit. Now we need to put the spring from the board as you see. After putting the junction box spring is leaking. So junction box from next. The spring is on the side where we think we should go. We put a little so that the spring goes to the side. Video shows that if we are growing from under the spring, that will direct us to where the next junction box is. So from there GDP box is close to us. So distribution box we will spring. Video as we show we remove the spring slightly in the side of the fingers. By putting the spring comes in a very easy way. So here you can watch the video. Deep box spring is leaking. So now you need to open the sleeve with wire keys as video shows. So there is all the violin way that you think how many wires should be sent while should be taken to the dot please Chris as it shows. Now after Chris. So will be the way. After fill it here you will see more. Hook law. While taking what wire you twist and how you can show. Want to twist. So. Now we send the spring from where we pull the spring back from there. Automatic when pulling back. If we put wire as wire here you can see. Here you can see that the wire from the junction box is going from the junction box to the wire bundles in such a way that the wire from the DP box. Where we put the board, you can see where the board goes. So make sure here's the friendlies we were pulling the spring. So now the wire is we have been getting out through the spring. So it would be like after having fit the TV board. Let's look at our next video, sir. What you're looking at now said to the power board. So mixing point and the grinder point is a board for getting anything. Here you can take care that the spring is. This is how we are pushing it comes to the junction box. And come to junction box. Later looking up how you bend is the pipe from the bend we got into the junction box. We have a distribution box under the junction box. So spring is pulled out and out of the distribution box, a little downward, which means that we have a spring coming down. So now the book is working so that the wire is being taken into the sleeve just as it did. Now again same spring. The wire goes from the pipe to the perfect board by pulling it back from wherever it is laid. So similarly that now you watch video. C-type. There is a bend there. Next to that we have a junction box. Now you can take care of it. By pulling the spring we wire out very simple in the way happens. Now there's another board. Friendly's board also gave a director spring hike. Here you can make sure how many junction boxes are there. Try to get as many junction boxes as you can. Because Direct pipe pulling will help you make the wire easy, so it will be easy to repair even if you get a problem in future. Junction boxes are like you. So here we mounted the same white book as you're looking at. And now we are pulling the spring back side, so that no matter how many boards we have, we want to lock the board in such a way as wire. Here you are viewing Kata. Smile is the board itself. Now you have looked at the whole 3 board. Wire is so inexorable. 2.0 while related to 3 boards is as we see here in the video. We can see the wire to all board through the pipe. Box has been taken up. In the same distribution box we will get isolated, and besides, the NCP is leaking relative to each board. How to connect so distribution box isolated and NBSP is next. Full details in video fellow. You have a video is done. By watching so video you will understand how to do distribution. And we have fan point and light points. So from them also I would like to have a spring as shown in the video. Key is pulling wife. As shown by video, you can spring all the way you can. Very easy is the sawing of the board. Prior to friends video in our channel regarding house wire on one video, part video and part theory part for videos has been done. So if you've seen them, watch videos go after the video is exhausted. Video if you like life and subscribe our channel. And also make a sale with your friend and family members. Bizin Sir Krishna signing off.